Hey, everyone! How are you today? Today we're folding a baby chick just hatched from its egg. I brought a black pen and an orange one to draw our chick's face. You'll need a square sheet of paper. Yellow and white works best. 15 by 15 centimeters size is perfect. Place the paper white side down. Now fold it in half to make a triangle. Fold it again to make a smaller triangle. Slip your finger into the little pocket and open it up. Press it flat into a square. Flip it over and do the same on the other side. Now you've got a diamond shape. Let's unfold the whole thing and turn your paper so it looks like a diamond. Fold the bottom point up to the middle. Fold it up one more time. Here comes a tricky part, so keep your eyes on my hands. See these little pockets on the side? Put your finger in and fold them in just like the lines we made before. Do it again on the other side. Let's tidy up the folds a little. That way our chick will look just right. Now fold down the top corners. Just a little bit at a slant. Do both sides the same. Can you tell? That white part is the egg our chick came from. Now let's fold this part in, like we're tucking it into the shell. Only little feet will peek out. Let's try that one more time. Lift the yellow triangle, then fold it the other way to match the white line. The little triangle sticking out is the chick's foot. Tuck it over the shell. Now fold the top corner down to the middle line. Fold that triangle in half. Then fold it one more time. Let's fold both sides back, first the right, then the left. And fold the bottom edge back too, just a little. Now it really looks like a little egg, doesn't it? Let's shape our chick a bit more. Fold the yellow part at the top of the egg. Just a small diagonal fold on each side. Oops! Is the eggshell a little too square? No worries. We'll gently fold each corner just a tiny bit. There we go, and all done. Now let's draw eyes with a black pen and a little orange triangle for the beak. Isn't it cute? That's it for today. Thanks for folding with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun with Fold with Bee. See you next time.